एक क्वेश्चन लेता हूं. Hello everyone. Now let's start with the principal solution again. The question is to find principal solution of sin x equal to 1 upon root 2. Sin x equal to 1 upon root 2. So tell me the principal solution. Tell me the principal solution. We know that sine will be the positive in the first and second quadrant. Yes. So here you will get the sine x equal to 1 by root 2. And the second, you will get the sin x equal to 1 by root 2 here in the second quadrant. Yes or no? Understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can we say that, let's assume that this is your first solution. So you will get first x, where you will get first x, that is theta, and that will be equal to 45 degree. That will equal to what? 45 degree. And the another angle you will get, the another x you will get what? Pi minus theta, and that is equal to pi minus pi by 4. So that will be equal to 3 pi by 4. The first x you will get pi by 4 in the first quadrant, and second x you will get in the 3 pi by 4 in the second quadrant. But this is for the one rotation. This is for the one rotation. So if I assume that, suppose if I have sin x equal to sin theta, okay, and I am talking about for the positive. तो पहले रोटेशन में हमें x बराबर थीटा मिलेगा, और दूसरा रोटेशन में sin x बराबर थीटा कहाँ मिलेगा? सेकंड के लिए मिलेगा, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में मिलेगा, that is pi minus theta. So can we say that this is the what principal solution for sin x equal to 1 by root 2? But if I generalize this, okay, if I generalize this, okay, suppose the question is like this, you find the all possible value of x, if sin x equal to sin theta. तब कैसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे? तो we know that sine can be positive in the two quadrant and sine will be the positive negative in the other two quadrant. तो हमें पहला जो sin x बराबर sin theta मिलेगा, यहाँ मिलेगा. I will get first sin x equal to sin theta here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second, where will get x sin x equal to sin theta? Second कहाँ पे मिलेगा? In the second quadrant, we will get sin x equal to sin theta. अरे देखो ना, तुमको sin x बराबर कितना दिया था? 1 by root 2 दिया था ना? sin x बराबर कितना दिया था? 1 by root 2. तो यदि आपको sin x बराबर 1 by root 2 दिया था, बेसिकली sin x बराबर sin 45 डिग्री दिया है, because 1 by root 2 is 45 degree. So I am getting here first sin x equal to sin 45 in the first quadrant. ये बोल रहा हूँ ना मैं, sin x equal to sin x equal to sin 45 in the first quadrant. और second क्या मिल रहा है आपको? यहाँ पे मिल रहा है कि sin x equal to what? sin theta. तो theta मतलब कितना pi minus theta. ये second quadrant में मिल रहा है यहाँ पे आपको. तो सेम चीज यहाँ पे देखिए, पहला sin x का जो सोल्यूशन मिलेगा वो यहाँ पे मिलेगा, दूसरा sin x का सोल्यूशन कहाँ मिलेगा? यहाँ पे मिलेगा. It means that suppose if you have sin x equal to sin theta, बताइए, तो पहला sin x बराबर sin theta यहाँ मिलेगा, फिर sin x बराबर sin theta कहाँ मिलेगा? इस वाले पार्ट में मिलेगा, सेकंड वाले क्वाड्रेंट में. मींस x जो मिलेगा वो क्या सब मिलेगा? बताओ, x जो मिलेगा वो क्या सब मिलने वाला? कितने वैल्यू होंगे x का? अब रोटेशन को लिमिट नहीं करना, आप कितना भी रोटेशन यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं, कितना भी रोटेशन ले सकते हैं. तो आपको पहला sin x का सॉल्यूशन यहाँ मिलेगा, दूसरा sin x का सॉल्यूशन यहाँ मिलेगा. तो फर्स्ट sin x का सॉल्यूशन कितना होगा? बोलो, थीटा. आई विल गेट थीटा. सेकंड कितना होगा? सेकंड आप मूव करके यहाँ पे आओगे, यू विल गेट हियर सॉल्यूशन, वन सॉल्यूशन, दैट इज पाई माइनस थीटा. अगेन आप मूव करके यहाँ पे आ रहे हो, यहाँ पे आ रहे हो. ओके, फिर यहाँ पे आपको एक सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा. रेड से मैं बता देता हूँ. Here you will get the first solution, second solution you will get here, again you will get this third solution here. What is this angle? ये जो पूरा रोटेशन करने के बाद ये एंगल है वो कितना एंगल है, कोई बताओगे
2
यहाँ पे?
pi plus theta.
2 पाई प्लस थीटा। ओके शुक्ला जी आ गए, बताइए 2 पाई प्लस थीटा, 2 पाई प्लस थीटा। ठीक है, फिर से कहाँ मिलेगा बताओ, फिर से आप मूव करके यहाँ पाइएगा। अभी ये वाला सॉल्यूशन बताइए कितना हो रहा है, कितना हो रहा है ये वाला सॉल्यूशन, टेल मी दिस सॉल्यूशन।
pi minus theta.
दिस इज टोटल 3 पाई, 3 पाई में से थीटा माइनस करो तो कितना हो जाएगा, दैट विल बी द,
Pi minus theta.
ओ नहीं पाई नहीं, दैट विल बी द
3 pi minus
3
theta.
पाई
3
माइनस
pi
थीटा,
minus theta.
3 pi minus theta. Tell me the next solution. If you move further, यहाँ तक कितना हो गया, 2 rotation is 4 pi. Okay, 2 rotation is what?
plus theta.
4 pi. Again you will get plus theta. Is there any background noise? No, no.
There is one background.
हाँ. So the 5 pi, 6 pi ना. In the third rotation you will get what? कितना आएगा? In the third rotation will get here 3 pi plus theta. उसके बाद क्या आएगा, 4 pi. एक रोटेशन यहाँ तक, फिर दूसरा रोटेशन 4 pi plus theta. Now tell me next. आप ये जब यहाँ पे पहुंचोगे फिर से, if you move, अच्छा यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा. If you move here, this is your 4 pi plus theta. Now this is your
5
This is
minus 5 pi
5
minus theta.
pi minus theta. तो tell me next. आप यदि फिर से मूव करके यहाँ पे आओगे, this is 6 pi, then this is what, 6 pi plus theta. Next will be 7 pi minus theta. Next will be 8 pi plus theta. Next will be 9 pi minus theta and so on. Understood? पहले आप लोग याद रखो, पहले प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन में क्या था कि आपके पास था sin x इक्वल टू मान के चलो 1/2. उस केस में हम दो ही सॉल्यूशन लेते थे. वन सॉल्यूशन sin x बराबर हम लोग क्या करते थे, इसको लिखते थे sin 30 डिग्री, sin 30 डिग्री मतलब π/6. दूसरा sin x बराबर क्या लिखते थे बोलो, sin पाई माइनस 30 डिग्री, ये लिखते थे ना. तो हमें x का दो ही वैल्यू मिलता था, एक x आपको 30 डिग्री मिलता था, दूसरा x पाई माइनस 30 डिग्री मिलता था. लेकिन अभी यदि sin x इक्वल टू मान के चलो मुझे दिया है sin थीटा, मतलब sin x इक्वल टू sin थीटा, मतलब कोई यहाँ पे हो सकता है इसकी जगह 1/2 दे, √3/2 दे, ऐसा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ठीक है, लेकिन इफ यू हैव sin x इक्वल टू sin थीटा, उस केस में आपके पास जो सोल्यूशन होगा, दैट सोल्यूशन कैन बी okay, theta, pi minus theta, 2 pi plus theta, 3 pi minus theta, 4 pi plus theta, 5 pi minus theta, 6 pi plus theta, 7 pi minus theta, and so on. Okay, so if I recollect all this, तो थोड़ा सा आप लोग यहाँ पे इस एंगल को यदि अच्छे तरह से देखिएगा, okay, अच्छे तरह से देखिएगा क्या लग रहा है, फिर कैसे आएगा ये, बताइए. यस, किस तरह से आपको ये दिखेगा, ये एंगल थोड़ा देखिए, इसको समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. फर्स्ट वी हैव थीटा, सेकंड वी हैव पाई माइनस थीटा, थर्ड वी हैव 2 पाई प्लस थीटा, फोर्थ वी हैव बताओ 3 पाई माइनस थीटा. नेक्स्ट वी एम ऑडिबल, नेक्स्ट वी हैव 4
Yes,
पाई
sir.
प्लस थीटा. नेक्स्ट इधर कितना आएगा 5 पाई माइनस थीटा. ओके, नेक्स्ट कितना आएगा 6 पाई प्लस थीटा. यहाँ कितना आएगा 7
पर
पाई
हम
माइनस
हर
थीटा.
उसमें पाई ऐड कर रहे हैं.
हाँ
No,
सर,
no,
वो
we are
2
not
pi
adding pi. We are not adding pi like that. Okay, what we are doing here, okay, we are getting here in odd multiple of pi. I am getting negative. जैसे pi में minus theta आ रहा है, 3 pi में minus theta आ रहा है, 4 pi में 5 pi में minus theta आ रहा है, 7 pi में minus theta आ रहा है. It means that in odd multiple of pi we are getting what? What we are getting? We are getting negative minus theta. And then the even multiple of pi like 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, इस सब में क्या मिल रहा है बताओ, क्या मिल रहा है, प्लस मिल रहा है. तो इनका लास्ट वाला एंगल क्या होगा, इसका लास्ट वाला एंगल होगा 2n pi plus theta.
plus theta.
The last angle will be the 2n pi plus theta. Amitoj, understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what about this? इसका लास्ट वाला एंगल क्या होगा? Can we say that it will be the
2n pi
n
minus theta.
plus 1, 2n plus 1 into pi minus theta. When you put n equal to 0, मतलब कोई रोटेशन कोई कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, एक भी रोटेशन कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, तो पहला एंगल कितना हो जाएगा 0 plus 1, 1 into pi minus theta. सही है. यदि एक रोटेशन आपने कंप्लीट किया, फिर यदि यहाँ पर रखिएगा कितना होगा 2 plus 1, 3 pi minus theta आ रहा है. चेक कर लो, इफ यू कंप्लीट 2 रोटेशन तो कितना आएगा, 2 रोटेशन में बोलो 4 + 1 5 minus theta. So this is the nth part or this is the nth angle of this. बट ये तो सेपरेट लिखेंगे क्या सर कि x बराबर दिस और x बराबर दिस, ऐसा सेपरेट लिखेंगे क्या, नहीं लिखेंगे। तो सर इसको कंबाइन कैसे किया जाएगा, ओके तो कंबाइन करने के लिए मैं आपको अभी जो मेथड बताने वाला हूं वो चीज समझिएगा। मींस वी आर गेटिंग x हियर थीटा, अनदर x हियर पाई माइनस थीटा, 2 पाई प्लस थीटा, 3 पाई माइनस थीटा, 4 पाई प्लस थीटा। तो कैन वी से दैट कि वी आर गेटिंग एवरी पाई, देखो 1 पाई आ रहा है, 2 पाई आ रहा है, 3 पाई आ रहा है, 4 पाई आ रहा है, 5 पाई आ रहा है, 6 पाई आ रहा है, 7 पाई आ रहा है, 8 पाई आ रहा है। मींस कैन वी से दैट हियर कि इन द लास्ट वी आर गेटिंग एवरी टाइप ऑफ पाई, ऑड और इवन दोनों मिल रहा है, तो कैन वी से दैट वी आर गेटिंग n पाई। बोलो करेक्ट है ये चीज। अरे देखो ना n की जगह 1 रखोगे तो 1 पाई आएगा ना, 0 रखोगे तो आएगा भी नहीं। वी आर गेटिंग एवरी टाइप्स ऑफ पाई ना, पाई भी मिल रहा है, 2 पाई भी मिल रहा है, ऑड एंड इवन दोनों मिल रहा है। यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
We are getting every type of pi means we are getting odd multiple of pi also and even multiple of pi. So can we say that Rx is जो हमारा x है वो हर एक टाइप के पाई रखता है, means Rx having all type of pi, means pi also and 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, means can we say that we have n pi here? N pi means if you put n equal to 1 you will get pi. Okay, understood this part? N pi, why we are taking n pi? Because we are having here for sine we are having every type of pi, that's why I'm writing here n pi. Okay, but we have confusion. What confusion? Sir, for which pi I will take plus and for which pi I will take minus.
सर अगर n इवन हो तो प्लस करेंगे और n
Okay,
नेगेटिव
so
मतलब odd हो
here
तो
if I'm looking this part, if n is even then I have to take plus, if n is odd then I have to take minus. And when you have to adjust this term plus and minus together, so can I take this part minus 1 to the power n? Can I take this? When n will be the even, n will be the even means what? N square, sorry, not n square, minus 1 square. So plus हो जाएगा, minus square 1 ना plus हो जाएगा. But when there will be the odd, तो कितना हो जाएगा? Minus 1 cube is minus 1, so negative हो जाएगा. So instead of the writing plus minus here, I will take one factor, and that factor is yes. क्या लूंगा मैं यहाँ पे एक फैक्टर ऐसा चूज करूंगा जो आपको दोनों काम देगा, -1 to the power n इनटू, देखो इनटू क्या आ रहा है, सब में क्या आ रहा है, n पाई आ रहा है, प्लस आ गया -1 इनटू व्हाट, ओनली वन थिंग इज रिमेनिंग, दैट इज थीटा. So this is called as the general solution where n belongs to integer. Now listen, अब तुम चेक करके देखो तो सही है कि नहीं है. If you put n equal to 0, put n equal to 0, x क्या आ रहा है, what is your x? 0 -1 to the power 0 कितना होगा, -1 to the power 0 is 1, 1 into theta is theta, पहला x आया theta. Put n equal to 2, sorry n equal to 1, 1 put करो कितना आ रहा है x, अरे 1 put करो ना, that is pi -1 to the power 1 is -1, -1 into theta is minus theta, pi minus theta, right? Put n equal to 2, put n equal to 2, what is the x? अरे 2 put करो ना यहाँ पे, then 2 pi plus -1 to the power 2 is +1 into theta, so we'll get here 2 pi plus theta. Put n equal to 3, we'll get x equal to 3 pi minus theta, and so on. Understood this part? Just let me know.
हाँ सर.
So what we have to remember? Yes.
सर वो sin x is equal to -1/√2 है ना?
+1 by √2, not -1. This is +1 by √2. Okay. Let it. Now listen. So what we have to write down, if you have sin x equal to sin theta, what is the general solution? That implies x does not mean equal to only theta. That implies x equal to everyone n pi plus -1 to the power n into theta, and this is your general solution. This is your general solution where n belongs to integer. Understood this part? Is there a need to explain again? Just let me know. Okay. Okay, so if you talk about for the cos, general solution for cos theta, okay. So first, let's assume that let cos x equal to cos theta, and we have to find the possible value for what? Possible value for the x. क्या सब possible value for x होगा? So we know that we'll get cos x. Okay, positive in 2 quadrant. First we'll get in the first quadrant, and next we'll get where? In the fourth quadrant. So I'll get here cos x, and I'll get here cos x. इन दोनों जगह पे मुझे cos x मिलेगा. Any problem? Clear with this part? Yes. We will get at two place ना cos x. The principal solution आपको जो बताया था. Now, if I have to find out the all possible value of x, क्या सब मिल सकता है? So first I'll get this x equal to what? कितना मिलेगा? Theta. What about next? If I move from here to here, then we'll get here again the solution. The first solution I'll get for x is here, that is theta. दूसरा solution यहाँ मिलेगा, that will be equal to how much? First x is your theta. Another x
2
is
pi minus theta.
2 pi minus theta. Okay, next x is, if you move from here to here again, then 2 pi. Now this you will get the next solution here.
2 pi
What
plus theta.
Can will get 2 pi plus theta. What about next? Again, if you move from here to here, you will get here one solution here. This is what? Which angle? 4 pi minus
4 pi minus theta.
If you move again here, then this is 4 pi, and then here you will get the again the cos x equal to the same thing. So 4 pi plus theta. So if you look at this part, then can we say that the next angle will be what? 6 pi minus theta. Next angle will be 6 pi plus theta. Next 8 pi minus theta. Next 8 pi plus theta. Next 10 pi minus theta. Next 10 pi plus theta, and so on. Okay, now if you rearrange the angle here, the first I'll get here theta. Next 2 pi minus theta. यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा है? 2 pi plus theta. What about here? 4 pi minus theta. What about here? 6 pi plus theta. Here 6 pi minus theta. Getting like this only, no? Theta 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi plus theta, 4 pi minus theta. 4 pi, this is the 4 pi plus theta. I missed one thing. This is what? 4 pi plus theta. Next 6 pi minus theta, 6 pi plus theta. This is what? 8 pi minus theta, and so on, and so on. So if I have to recollect all this angle, so what I will write on the x equal to? सारा angle को एक साथ में लिखना चाहूँ तो Arya, can you help me in this? What I have to write on here?
So much.
Yes.
Pi.
What pi?
So
What-
sorry, even
What we have to write on here? X equal to in the general sense, so that I can collect all this angle. सारा angle को एक line में लिखना हो तो. Yes. Do we have pi?
सर
3
मैं
pi?
बता.
Wait. Do we have pi, 3 pi, 6 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi? No. We have 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 10 pi, 8 pi, 16 pi. So can we say that we have the even multiple of pi? Even multiple of pi means what? We have here 2n pi. Okay, so this is a 2n pi now. Like if you put n equal to 1 to 2 pi, 2 n की जगह 2 put करोगे 4 pi, n की जगह 3 put करो, then 6 pi. If you put n equal to 4, 8 pi. If you put n equal to 5, then 10 pi. Understood? Means
Yes.
here we don't have any angle which is related with odd multiple of pi. मतलब pi, 2 pi, pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, we don't have. It means that what we have here, we have the even multiple of pi, that is 2n pi. And if you look at the 2 pi is also related with minus theta, 2 pi also related with plus theta, 4 pi is also related, 4 pi is related with minus theta, 4 pi also related with the plus theta. So can we say that this even multiple of the pi is related with plus and minus both of theta? And this is the general solution for where, okay, n belongs to z, integer. And this is the general solution for cos theta. Okay, now wait for a minute for the tan theta. Okay, just a second. Now suppose if you have, let you have tan x equal to tan theta, then you have to find out the all possible value for x. सारा possible value x का बताओ कि tan x equal to tan theta आया, then what will be the x, क्या सब हो सकता है? So we know that we will get, and I'll assume that theta is right now positive. Theta first quadrant का angle है, वो मैं पहले से बोलता था positive. So we'll get tan x will get here, एक tan x यहाँ मिलेगा, and दूसरा tan x कहाँ मिलेगा?
Third
Another will be in third quadrant. So another will be here. So here you will get again tan x. So if I have to find out the solution, x equal to what? The first solution I will get where? First solution I'll get at theta. Second solution I'll get where?
pi plus theta.
Here.
Pi minus
That will be,
theta.
hey, shut up, pi plus theta. First I'll get theta. Second will get what?
Pi plus
Pi
theta.
plus theta. And third, if I move from here to here again, then what will this?
2 pi plus theta.
2
2 pi plus theta. Next again, if I move from here to here, then I'll get this as 3 pi plus theta.
3 pi plus, yes.
Next 4 pi plus theta. 4 pi plus theta, and so on. Can we say that next will be the what? 5 pi plus theta. Next will be 6 pi plus theta. Next will be 7 pi plus theta, and so on. So if I have to recollect all this angle, what I will write down? We have pi, we have 2 pi, we have 3 pi, we have 4 pi, we have 5 pi, we have 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi, 9 pi, 10 pi, 11 pi. So last will be the n pi. And everywhere there will be the plus, so plus, and then everywhere there is theta, so plus theta. So this is the solution for the tan. Here n belongs to integer. So please write it on all this. Okay, so we discussed all the general formula, general solution. Okay, now we will recollect all this formula. The first formula was if sine x equal to sine theta, that implies x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n minus 1 to the power n, okay, into theta, where n belongs to z. Understood? Where n belongs to z. Now second, if cos x equal to cos theta, बताइए क्या होगा फिर x equal to n pi और 2n pi. मैंने आप लोगों को कुछ देर पहले बताया था sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay, this is holding at 1, this is holding at 2, and this is holding at 3. Means this is an odd position, this is an odd position. That's why I will take here n pi. Here I will take what? N pi. Understood? This is odd position, so that's why I will take plus. I will take plus here. Understood? And this is what? Even position. That's why I will take 2n pi. So what I have to take here? 2n pi. And this is containing both plus and minus. So plus minus theta, and where n belongs to integer. Next, if tan x equal to tan theta, that implies x equal to holding odd position n pi, and then odd position is pi and the theta, where n belongs to z. Where n belongs to z. Understood this part? Yes.
Yes, sir.
याद हो जाएगा formula. There will no issue.
हाँ.
Ansari, you understood? Thomas, understood?
हाँ सर समझा.
Okay. Now we'll solve a question related to this. What we have here? Okay, we have to find the general solution for each of the following equation. Okay. First, if you look at the question number 5, what we have here? Cos 4x equal to cos 2x. Okay, and don't do like this. Okay, I cancel c, o, s, okay, x, and sir 4 equal to 2. Don't do like this. Okay, so if you have cos 2x, now some steps that you have to follow for the solving the general solution. The first step, make right hand side equal to 0. Second step, try to make factor. Try to make factors. ये दो जो terms है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा दो steps है. It is very important. If you remember these two steps, okay, in your mind, then you can solve easily. So what is the first step we have here? First step is make our right hand side equal to 0. So how can you make this right hand side equal to 0? Can I take this cos 2x?
Cos
this
4x
side?
minus cos 2x.
So cos 4x minus cos 2x equal to 0. Now, if you want to make in the factors, the factor means what? Your terms should be in the in the multiplication format. That is basically factor. So right now, what we have to do, this is the what in the subtraction form. Try to convert into multiplication form. How can we convert into multiplication form? For that, we need what? We need formula for cos A minus B. What is the formula for cos A minus B? We have the minus here. If you have the minus here, we need 2 here. Yes. If there is a minus, then we need the answer for this will be the 2 times. Minus है तो क्या आएगा sin and then 4x plus 2x by how much? 2 into, again we are discussing the cos. So if there is a sign, so same I have to write on here sign. 4x minus 2x by 2 equal to 0. Arohi got this? But we know that when there will be two times, if there will be the sign, then I have to take the minus outside also. Understood this part? Yes,
Yes,
everyone. Okay. Now next, can I take this minus to that side, right side? So I will get here the sign 4x plus 2x, that is 6x by 2, that is 3x here, into sign how much? 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2x equal to 0. So I make two factor here. First factor is, what is the first factor? The
Sin 3x is equal to 0.
Sin 3x equal to 0. And what is the second factor? Sin x equal to
Sin
0.
x is equal to 0.
So we know that if sin 3x equal to 0, it can write on 0 is basically what? What is 0 basically? Sin?
Sin
0.
0.
Now we know that since we have formula, if sin x equal to sin theta, okay, then what is x? That is n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into theta. So with the help of this formula, if you calculate or if you apply this formula in in this equation, then what we'll get? 3x should be equal to what? N pi plus minus 1 to the power n into theta is what? 0. So we'll get x equal to basically, ये पूरा part 0 हो जाएगा, then we'll get n pi by 3. Understood? N pi by 3. And the same you can apply for here. The x should be equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into theta is 0. Because I can write on sin 0 is, sorry, this 0 is basically what? Sin 0, no? Understood? So we'll get here sin x equal to sin 0. It means that we can write on x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into 0. So this complete term will be 0, and then x you will get equal to n pi. So, and where n belongs to integer. So this and this is the what? Solution. These are the solution for, general solution for this question. Understood? Now try to find the question number 6 and tell me the answer for that. So the question number 6. Yes, no, question number 6. So what do we have? Question number 6, cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x equal to 0. The first जो मैंने steps बताया था आपको, that is already there. Right side is what? 0. Okay, right side is 0. Now the second step was try to make factor. Can I apply the formula in this too? In this two terms, that will be 2 cos 3x plus x, that is 4x by 2 is 2x, into cos 3x minus x is 2x upon 2 is x, minus cos 2x equal to 0. Now take cos 2x common, then you will get 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have two factor. First factor here we have cos 2x equal to 0. Second factor 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0.
Minus 1 equal to 0.
Okay, now after this, if I solve the first factor here, the cos 2x equal to 0, and the second factor here 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. So can I write on this is equal to cos 2x. What is 0? Can I write on this is cos 90 degree or cos pi by 2? Can I write on this is equal to 2 cos x equal to 1. So what is the cos x? कितना हो जाएगा? It will be 1/2.
1/2.
So from here, if you apply the formula, since we know that if cos x equal to cos theta, that implies what is x? 2n pi plus minus theta. This is the formula. So if you apply the here concept, then 2x equal to, instead of the x, cos के बाद ये वाला था ना, this should be equal to what? 2n pi plus minus how much? Theta. Theta is pi by 2. Now if you solve this, you will get x equal to कितना आ जाएगा बताओ? 2 से divide करने पे n pi plus minus pi by 4. So this is the first answer. The second one is, can I write on this is cos x equal to half means what? Cos pi by 3. Now if you compare this, in the place of x we have x, then 2n pi plus minus, or in the place of theta, theta की जगह कितना है यहाँ पे?
pi/3.
Pi by 3. Pi by 3. So this is the another answer where n belongs to z in the both the case. Okay, understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay.